How you doing? Me live from the streets out here in Madras, Oregon. I'm fucking around at work, you know, I'm supposed to be doing some shit, but you know, I am actually working, but I'm just fucking around. But anyways, what I have in front of me is a Cat 420 backhoe. About to run this motherfucker, one of these. Oh shit, I almost hit my hand. Well, anyways, the woman that loads this fucking cart up. I just got done doing some serious shit, but now they want me to do some bullshit. The woman that loads this cart up. Ooh, shit, it's fucking up right now. I want me to load this cart up here and take it back to the other end of the job. Now, yesterday, the superintendent of this company, did this very same thing and spilled the cart before and lost a lot of the material in the cart because he was throwing it. He shouldn't have been doing. So, now they want me to do it, so I can fuck it up. Now, as you see, the superintendent's problem was, the thing had wheels, 2 wheels, and he had in the bucket, which it rolled. So, I like how they volunteered me to do this fucked up mission, so I could fuck the car up and they end up firing my black ass. Anyways, like I said, it's a Caterpillar, the best, in my opinion, the best backhoe you could get, trackhoe and dirt moving equipment you could get, you know. Still a pretty slick machine. Hop on this motherfucker right here, you know. Climb aboard, driver's seat, you know, we got the controls back here. See how unsafe the machine is? When you move this lever, this is supposed to move. When you move this lever right here, you're supposed to lock this shit into place. This isn't supposed to move. I got the pin in because I'm a safe nigga. See that pin? The backhoe from swinging around. Shit, I'm safe, you know, because I know the first time I fuck something up, they're gonna fire my ass. You know, I know a lot of other people like to pull this little lever out down here so when you hit the brake you can do the cookie. Well, technically you're not supposed to be doing that cookie when you're trying to drive the backhoe. So I got the thing secure in the front. I hope it don't fall out. Yeah, you know, I'm pretty safe operator. So, you know, I'm going to just get on the road right here. We just got done paving. Put it in gear and we're going to take off. Now, I hope this motherfucker don't fall out from the drone. I watched the superintendent do it yesterday. So here we are, cruising down the road, you know, the backhoe. Mind our own business. That's what I do at work, you know, just pave the roads up there after that road we paved out yesterday. See how the backhoe was bouncing? This is what it was doing yesterday when that yellow car fell out in front of this motherfucker. So I'm just going to take it easy. 5 miles at this speed will take a good 8 minutes. That's a good scenery. See it bounce like this? That's how the car fell out when it was bouncing. We got the traffic coming behind us away from around. Way the traffic around, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got nothing. Oh, that's got to let her go to the tires, he wouldn't do it. Bump. But yeah, that's called Dead Indian Lake or Lost Indian Reservation or Refugee Lake or some shit. I don't know what the sign is. I forgot. Kind of, the name sounds kind of fucked up to me, but you know how people are. They're like a fucked up shit. Some fucked up stuff on there. But yeah. I don't know who the Dave Donner's guy is for Senator or State Republican, but, you know, just cruise down on the backhoe, have a good time on the backhoe, fucking around, making good money at work, in Madras, Oregon. But yeah, you know, just fashion. You know, the part, you know, just doing our thing. Paved that road yesterday. Beautiful scenery. Got another car coming up. See, I let the car over there a lot. There, right there, you can see the headlight coming. You know, I'm waiting far around. You know, some people don't do that. Wait to fall around. Wave back at me and it's that spot. You know what I'm saying? No big deal. We run to see live from the streets of Madras, Oregon, on Route 66. Get back at you.